Hey, my name is Kaif and I'm a digital marketer. Today is day 4 to getting 10k followers in just 45 days, just providing free marketing and e-commerce services. This video is day 3 and day 4 because I couldn't post day 3 video. So my day 3 is similar to my previous days. At day 3, after doing lot of researches, I came to know about Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a video editing software. So I started watching tutorials on YouTube on GFX Mentor, which is a graphic channel whom I am following from past 2 years, but I have never watched any tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro. Guys, if you want to learn more about graphics like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, like these type of stuff, so you should have to watch him. And I was thinking about to start reading a book, but I don't know from which book should I have to start. So my brother have suggested me a book which is Atomic Habit. Yes, I have ordered it from Amazon and I'll receive it Geo. So I will read it 5 pages per day, and also I will going to share my experience to you guys what I am learning from it. And I have nothing worked on my website because of my exams on my head and I have to prepare for those also. And I didn't do much any work at day 4 because I was stuck in another stuff. Guys, stay tuned my day 5 video because I will going to reveal what services I am providing free. Day 4 is over. I will see you in the next video, and guys, do let your friend know about me that I am providing some services free.